is super dark. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm pretty tired. What the fuck was that? That's my sign to turn around. Today, I'm gonna hike the Mount Si loop today. It's a 7-mile loop, and then yeah, hopefully you'll get some pictures. I brought just a couple basic cameras, 7200 and 50mm. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe there's not a lot. There's scheduled rain, but I don't know. We'll see.
The Hiker podcast. It is pronounced hiker. People ask me, is it the hiker? I'm like, I don't know. We'll find out. We'll talk to them.
I will be honest, I am not sure if I am prepared for this hike, only because it was a little bit warmer in Renton and I wore pants that weren't as thick, and I do have a rain jacket, but we'll see. But I think what we'll do is we'll just do Mount Si Peak and then come back down. We could do the loop, but I'm not sure. So this is categorized as a really, it's hard, and not even like half a mile there, and you know, already kind of winded. So, but when we get to the top, might be too cloudy. Might not be able to take anything. We'll see though. The rain is scheduled to stop by 1. So by the time we get up there, maybe it'll be all clear. Oh, right. Mount Si, 1.6 miles away. That's actually not that bad, actually. I don't. But it is hard. It's like categorized under hard, so. Nice. Looks like the sun's gonna come out. We're still in the first part of the trail, so feel pretty lucky. I think now it's just gonna be the humidity we're gonna deal with. 'The wrong way on the trail. So I have to backtrack. I don't know if you can see it, but quite a ways away. I'm gonna run. Alright. So I was wondering why the trail flattened out. I was like, this wasn't very hard. So now I'm back on the trail. We're going back up again. .2 miles. And it looks like, I guess we're about halfway there. 1.6 miles is a lie. Oh my god. 1.6 miles. Yes. Oh my god. It is now raining. There's just so many things I'm grateful for right now. I'm so glad I brought my rain jacket. Ooh, I'm also glad I brought that extra jacket. I was afraid I was going to be cold with the pants I'm wearing, but I'm just about right. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I am not going to lie. I may have to turn around, which would suck. Because we've come so far. Where have we? 1.6 miles. Oh my god, okay, I can't get over that. I think maybe I could stop and have a snack. Maybe that'll help. Oh, we just got into that woods. It's super dark. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm pretty tired. What the fuck was that? Not exactly looking to go into the woods either. I'm breaking my neck. I don't know what that was. That's my sign to turn around. Shit. Whew. It is also starting to crazy, like, oh hell. Alright, that's it. I have to turn around. I don't even know what that was. Oh, that sucks, man. You know, you just gotta call it sometimes. Just gotta call it. Like, I don't even know where all this fog just came in. Like right now. Alright. It's crazy, like, here the birds are chirping, it's like bright, it's like sunny, there's no rain, I'm like warm. But you go up there and it's like Death Mountain. I'm glad I got out, I guess. Guess we can do a montage of pretty things in the forest.